get started, I have my little fitted on today. My little toque. My little tookey toque. Fix that. And I think it looks cute, you know, with the edges out. It's my old school Rihanna Viva Glam hat, but I'm going to prime my lids with Coastal Scents LA Girls Pro Concealer. I guess I can explain to you what foundation I used today. I used my Urban Decay All Nighter in 9.75. This was the second bottle that I ended up buying because when I bought this, what, 2 years ago? Was it 2 years already that it's been launched? I think it has been 2 years, or maybe it was a year. I can't really remember, but actually it's been almost 2 years since this launch. It's been like a year and a half. So when I first bought this foundation, I finished the first bottle in like 3 months, and then this is the second bottle that I ended up buying because I've come across a lot more foundations since then, and I kind of like slowed down on it as well because throughout last year, I didn't get to produce as much content as I wanted to due to me being unmotivated, which is what I want to talk to you guys about today. Motivation. How do you find motivation? Honestly, sometimes it's hard, and especially as artists, I'm sure a lot of makeup artists can relate. Like, when you constantly are trying to find like new looks to do and like to build your craft and stuff, sometimes you don't, like, sometimes you're not as motivated, and it can get really discouraging. And the best way that I've found is anybody that usually brings inspiration to me, I go on their pages or their YouTube channels and I scroll down their stuff, and then I get amped. So the first couple of people that come to mind would be like Brianna Marie, Jackie Anna with her reviews and stuff and her work ethic. I love her work ethic. I think Jackie Anna is amazing. And Stacey Marie, her page is like amazing to look at for inspiration, along with P. Louise. Late this year I discovered P. Louise for myself, and like I'm in love. I also love Princess Bella because they all do looks that are outside of the box. They all do really dramatic makeup, which is like, I love dramatic makeup. Love it. So whenever I go onto their pages, I'm always motivated. But just in case that doesn't motivate you, even just looking at everyday things like going outside, maybe like taking a walk, looking at the scenery. Sometimes I don't go on a lot of walks, I'm gonna admit, but like when I'm driving certain places, I like take in my surroundings. Sometimes I might look like at a sign, or I'll look at like the trees, and like I'll find some type of inspiration from that. And also, you gotta pep talk. You gotta pep talk yourself, okay? You kind of have to learn how to be yourself a motivator, because not all the time, it's not all the time that people are gonna step in and motivate you. So you have to kind of learn how to do that yourself. Thought I heard something. So I'm taking Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm taking that yellow color and pressing that into my crease. This is my transitional color. When you're in emerge, I hate when you're home alone and you feel like you hear something, but you're just hearing something. We're gonna take that. That's actually perfect. What color is this? So we are taking Pinehurst eyeshadow from Coastal Scents, my MAC 217 brush, and it's the perfect kind of green that I'm thinking of, because it's like a pine green, right? And it looks good with this kind of yellow. I'm taking that and popping that on my outer corner of my lid. Keep blending, you guys. So we're just about done blending these two shadows together, I feel. Here's the fun part. So we're gonna go in with, let me keep that up. We're gonna go in with ooh, it's gonna fall, bro. Ooh. Where is it? My Inglot gel liner in 94. That is what I like to use to cut my crease. My lid color, I'm just gonna do this eye so I can cut off camera. I'm gonna take Egypt from the Nubian 2 palette, that beautiful olivey green shade right there, and I'm gonna load up my MAC 239 and press that all over my lid. To take that olive color and press that in the center of my lid, right here. I'm going to put Chad from the Saharan 2 palette, overlapping that to add some depth. Right there. So it's like a sandwich in between the olive color and the olive color, adding a little bit of black to obviously add depth and really smoke out this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then I'm gonna do my liner. My lashes of choice are X Vanity Mink lashes in Dream and Priceless. I just stacked them on top. When I come back, because my camera's gonna die, when I come back, I'm gonna show you guys the lips. And I'm gonna take Cork lip pencil and heavily rim my lips. I'm gonna take Peach Stock lipstick by MAC and pop that in the center. A little bit of Gal Friday by MAC, the lip gloss, and pop that also in the center. And now I'm gonna take, I took some of my Inglot Duraline drops and my Glow Bunny, now known as Persian Milk, highlighter, and I'm gonna line above the black line for like a pop of gold. So let me just lower this camera down here, go into my camera. This is the finished look. I missed my face with my Mario Badescu spray at the end because I'm not going anywhere, so don't really want to use like my real setting spray, which I need more of soon. So yes, I already showed you guys what I did with the liner, and yeah, this is the finished look. I'm gonna go take some pictures and record myself being all extra. Look at this side, look at the other side. I hope you liked this kind of chit chat get ready, kinda, not really, but tutorial. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, loves.